Alright everyone, today we're going to learn how to set up NTFS and share permissions using Windows Server 2012. In this little mini guide, I will cover the most basic way, using Server Manager. As a prerequisite, you must have file and storage services installed. After your server boots and Server Manager is up, click the File and Storage Services task and click the Shares option. Once in the Shares option, see here it says No Shares. Click Tasks and New Share. The New Share wizard appears. Here it asks you which share profile you want: SMB Share Quick, Advanced, Applications, NFS Share Quick, and Advanced. And for this explanation, we're just going to use Quick. You either select an entire volume which you want to share, or you can select a custom path. And for this demonstration, I have a path on the C drive on the desktop that I'm going to in my documents that I'm going to share, called My Shared Documents. I'm going to select that folder and click the Next button. Enter your share name. I'm going to leave it as the default, and that's what you'll have to type in the path to get to the share. Description, I'm just going to put this as a test share. Okay, and then as you can see, the local path is going to stay the same, and the remote path, we're not going to mess with that either. Hit the Next button. Now here we have a few options. Allow caching for the share. That way when you go into the share and you access a file, next time you need to access it, it should still be cached if it's been accessed frequently. And access-based enumeration, which it displays the files and folders that a user has permission to access. If there's other files in that folder, it does not allow them to see those, and we're going to go ahead and select that. We're going to hit Next. And on the Specify Permissions to Control, here's where you can go in and change the permissions, share permissions, and NTFS permissions. You can also enable or disable inheritance, and it tells you in the Share tab who's permitted to see this. And then there's the effective access tab, which allows you to view who is actually checking, or who is actually looking into this folder and how it impacts the group and everything. And here's the auditing folder, the auditing option, which allows you to change an entry. And for now, we're just going to leave this as its default setting and hit Next. It's going to show us our basic configuration, and then click Create and then hit Close. It should say that your share is completed. It should give you how much space you have. Then we're going to minimize this, open Explorer here, go to Documents, My Shared Documents. We're going to go to the Properties, and under the Sharing tab you can see that it has a network path and it is shared. And under Advanced Sharing, it is shared. So there you go, that's a basic explanation, and I hope you get it from there.